Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Codus Arcade. In this video, we'll be talking about one more important feature of the stream APIs in Java, which is the function called mapping. Okay. In the previous video, we learned about filtering in the stream API in Java. Okay. So before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, because that will really help us to serve you better and that will really motivate us to bring more better content to you. Okay, and really thanks for all your support, and I hope you will be supporting us more in future. Thanks a lot. So as I said, today's topic is the mapping function or the map function in the stream APIs in Java. Okay, so without any more ado, let's get started and let me go to the editor and show you how to do that. Okay, so here I'm going to my editor, and you can see this was the last code, the filter example, where we filtered out even numbers from this list by using the filter function in the stream API. You can see here streams.filter, and we set n mode of to equal 0. If you want odd numbers, you can simply say not equal to 0. If you run this now, just see the output. Okay, 13579. Okay, so this was about the filter function. Okay, and guys, if you have not watched this video, I will give the link in the description and also in the I button. Please go ahead and look at that video and then come back here, because that will really help you to understand better. Okay, so today, as I said, I will be talking about the map function. Okay, so let's just do one thing. Let's create another Java class called mapping example. So what does the map example actually do? Okay, we'll be talking about the map function, and to be precise, the map function actually maps a value to a certain corresponding value. Suppose, say, if I am trying to find the double of a number, triple of a number, simply, so that map function will actually map that value to the double of that number or to the triple of that number, something like that. Okay, so let's first create a list of integers. And please remember, the stream APIs only work with wrapper classes. So we have to use wrapper classes only. Is equal to, I will take the arrays class dot as list, and here I will pass my list. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can take other numbers also, say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. No problem at all. Okay, so we have a target in our mind. Our target is we want to map each element in this array or the list to its double. Okay, so 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4. Similarly, 10 becomes 20, 20 becomes 40, and so on. Okay, so this is our target. Now, for that, we can simply use our numbers list and dot stream function. Here in the stream function, we have the map function in our stream API, which can actually relate or map a number to a certain parameter, okay, to the predicate. So first we take the predicate here, and you can take xyz whatever you want, and you have to give this arrow, which is a syntax for the lambda expressions in Java, and here you have to give the mapping scenario or what you actually want here. So I will just say n into 2 because I want to map it to the double of that number. And dot, we need the for each function from the consumer interface. And then here we have to just display them, right? I will just say SOUT, and it will actually print them. So that's our target. Okay. So let's see if we are able to successfully do it or not. So our output should be 1, should be 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Let's see. Yes, guys, you can see here, right? We are able to map a number to its double. It's working absolutely fine. Now, if I say 3, it should be triple or thrice the number. Let's see if this is working or not. Yes, it's working absolutely fine. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. So that's all, guys. That is how you use the map function. It is really handy when you are solving long examples or long problems. It's really handy. Okay, so this is how you use the map function. If you have any doubts regarding this, please post your doubts in the comment section. I'll be really happy to solve them. And at the same time, if you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because that really motivates us to create more content for you. Okay, and thanks a lot for watching till the end, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you and happy learning. Bye bye.